Hello guys, welcome back dear students. Here in the tutorial, first of all, I'm going to apply that different kinds of mask options guys. We could try on it like these are the water mask options. So first of all, I have to try that water one mask option. Now guys, on the next step, I have to try that water two mask option. So after the successful application of it, I have to try that water three mask options. No water 4 have been applied on it, and guys, and that's the water 5 mask options, and next is the water 6 mask options, and the second last is the water 7 option, and now the new water 8 mask option is the last one. I hope you like it, and you could choose any kinds of the favorite mask options among all of these. Thanks for watching.